Every day at 10 a.m., I make myself a strong tea, open my favorite indicator, slowly make about 4 or 5 trades. And these routine actions bring me from 5 to 7,000 per week. In the video, I will show a strategy that is suitable for morning trading and to trade in the morning with me. Go to the channel at the link from the description. By the way, the first 10 people who spot the code in this video will get free access to me in an exclusive group where most of the sessions take place. Well, let's get started. Let's open a low volatility chart. Compared to other assets, this is a low volatility chart right now. Of course, it's not morning, but I will try to look for situations that are as similar as possible. Here, what we need to do. We need to go to the indicators section and add the RSI indicator. Now we are going to turn it around a little bit. Go to the settings, put a period of 17 in styles. Turn on the most important line at 3 points. All other lines can be turned off so that they don't interfere with us at all, because this is not going to be the most important thing now. So we will be looking for a divergence between the chart and the oscillator. Right now, the divergence has already worked itself out. But since I see a trend reversal here, I will open a down trade. Look at what I mean by divergence. Look carefully, because this is really a very subtle point here. We see that our chart is slowly growing. It means that the body of our candles has updated the previous body. That is, we had a maximum defined at some horizontal level, but now this maximum has become higher if we carry it out. But at the same time, the maximum on the RSI oscillator has not been updated. Moreover, the oscillator is falling while the chart is growing. This is just the basis for making a trade, because the chart will sooner or later follow the oscillator. I mean down. At the same time, we can find the same situation on the rise. It is very close to us. For example, here we have the opposite. The chart is falling. I think you can see it yourself. The oscillator is going a little bit. I will try to find situations for you that are more obvious than this. So watch this video carefully to understand exactly how I trade in the morning. So here I'm going to try to trade against the trade now, but I have a few opportunities to do so. If you can't find the divergence, let's say because of the low volatility in the morning, then I recommend you switch the period on the RSI from 17 to 12. But initially, of course, you should look for trades on a higher period. By the way, I am ready to show you some of today's trades. It was such an amazing day that a bunch of trades in the morning on our signal robot worked out and brought me a bunch of nice pluses. And also, the recent trading session from $50 to $500 closed absolutely successful, because you and I gradually made 4 trades in a row. This gave us overextend to our balance. The second trade, we are coming to the end of literally 3 seconds. It remains here, of course, a large share of luck, because I was able to essentially catch the reversal without any additional factors, just due to the divergence, because you see the RSI indicator, we have stopped falling at all. But the chart is falling accordingly. This is a reason for a good reversal. Well, in 4 seconds, the first trade will close. But in fact, we have 2 identical trades. Just the second one has slightly more favorable entry point. As you can see, we changed the RSI period to 12, and immediately we all felt the difference, because the indicator has become more responsive to weak market fluctuations. We have already closed 4 trades on the strategy today, plus just amazing statistics. I will definitely take a screenshot and send it to my regular channel. I hope you, everyone who subscribed today and who is following me, will be happy. So with period 17, we unfortunately did not get any interesting trades again. But with period 12, the situation is a little bit better. Here we have as a confirming factor to enter the transaction, I noted the horizontal level, which is the resistance. But if we look at the combination of oscillator and chart, we notice that the indicator RSI, we have a little bit falling. While the chart, we have a clear growth. On this divergence, we open the down trade to the direction of the indicator. Here, unfortunately, we get a loss. We have no fault in this. Just the market decided to break through the resistance zone, but we will look for the next trade with you. The only offense is that we get the first minus for today. So, well, here we see a clear divergence. This is another attempt to play against the trend. Let's probably make a couple of trades. Since we have such a reaction, it's the same here. We pay attention only to local situations, I mean to the last 10-20 candles. The market is falling. Our oscillator is standing still. So here we have a good opportunity for a reversal. We hope that we will be right. Well, by some miracle, we literally have a correction. We pick up a couple more pluses that completely overlap the current minus. This week, literally 5 pluses per day brings me about $500, $600 of profit, which turn into $7,000 of profit per week. I publish all the withdrawals in my Telegram channel. So follow the link from the description, subscribe, follow me, develop in the world of trading. Good luck to everyone. Bye bye.